This Papa Bear. I'm true to this, not new to this. Another video for you guys out there. I'm trying to get as much information out there to you new guys. I don't know if everybody going to be honest with you. Well, I know Papa Bear going to be honest with you. I ain't got no reason to lie to you. For you new guys that are serious about trucking and want to really make something of it. And I might as well be honest with you about it. You're going to go through some things. Choose your first company wisely, okay? If they got paid training, that's a good thing, so you can get a check, okay? Get paid training. It's not going to be much of a check, but it'll be a check. And you'll probably get a hotel room, and you'll get probably 2 meals a day. Maybe 3, depending on the company. I don't know. Most of the time, the hotel rooms, are pretty nice. I can't speak on all the company because I haven't been everywhere. But at least you got a bed to sleep in, and you're not outside. Pay attention to everything you need to pay attention to at training. If you're going to a trucking school, and they're going to put you up for a few weeks, pay attention to what you're doing. It's a little different now because when I started, automatics wasn't the call of the day. Okay, I was in a 10-speed. Okay, and now you got automatics. So the dynamics have changed a little bit, but you still have to know how to operate the truck, how to maneuver the truck, and do it safely without hurting someone or hurting yourself. So that part hasn't changed. Make sure the company has a good safety record, okay? You're going to have to do modules from time to time. These are training modules. These are a good thing. They give you time to get it done. They don't give you the rest of the year to get it done, but they give you a certain length of time to get those modules done because they have to be sent in and everything. It won't be anything that you don't know. It'll be pretty simple. Make sure you can get decent home time. You can get home, if you're going to be out every 2 weeks, you can get home every 2 weeks for your time off. Okay, some places they want you to be out 3 weeks to 4 weeks at a time. I've been out as long as 6 weeks. Okay, don't ever want to do that again. Just because I just don't want to do it again. But if you feel like you can handle it like that, you do what's best for you. Okay? If they got a mentorship program, that would help a lot and everything. If you feel you need it, ask the company, do they have that and everything. Don't go with companies that'll rush you through and throw you in a truck, especially getting out of training, getting out of a regular training school, because that doesn't help you. It just puts you in a state of confusion and you don't know what you're doing. Okay? Make sure they train you and they're thorough, especially on your logs. Okay, your ELD, and train you how to use the ELD and log into the ELD and everything about the ELD that you understand, that you need to understand about it. I don't know if they still train you how to use a map book. Okay, but like I said, it's 37 years ago. Things are different. They might I don't know if they train you how to actually use a map book. But I'm going to tell you what, I'm going to do a little training on the map book for you guys to show you where to go to find what you need to find here in a day or so. Okay? Nothing's changed in the map book. It's pretty much the same. But I'm going to show you a couple of things that will help you out. Okay? You gotta ask questions. Always ask questions. Okay? If you don't know something, the only person that won't ask questions is the person that's a foolish person. Ask questions. If you don't know something, they feel you should know that. Guess what? They probably don't know it either, because you're all in the same school. Okay? Trucking school. If you're going to indoctrination to get on with a new company and everything, ask questions. Okay? It'll help. No matter how silly it may sound to you, it might be something you need to know. And it might be something the guy next to you need to know too. But he too embarrassed to ask. Okay? Don't be embarrassed to ask questions and everything. Get all the information you need. If you need more information, come back to these videos, because I'm sure it's something on here you can use. Or you could just send me contact me through the channel. You know, send me a message. I read them every day. Okay? And I try to respond as soon as I see them. And if I can, I'll respond and hopefully give you a good answer to your question. Okay? Don't be shy. You're out here trying to do something for yourself. As a full-grown man, I can appreciate that. I love to see it when the young people, men and women, get out here and try to provide something for themselves and their family. Okay? That's a good thing. Don't let nobody tell you that it isn't. Okay? And stuff. Make sure when you do get out of school, they should be sending you down to the DMV to get your license. You'll probably get your permit there at the trucking school, okay? And they'll take you down and get your permit or whatever. And then you'll end up getting a license. But as soon as you get back home, just transfer it over to your state, or just leave it in the state that you're in for right now until you get somewhere where you're going to be permanent and you're going to run, and then you transfer your license over to that state or your home state or wherever you want to be. That's the wonderful thing about trucking. You can live anywhere in the country, in some cases anywhere in the world, and it doesn't matter because it's a Class A driver's license. It is what it is, okay? Just don't get out there and start doing crazy stuff, trying to beat the dude to the daggone light. Don't do that. You're in a truck. You're not in a car. And you're going to put yourself out of commission long before you need to be, before your time. Okay? Don't race. Don't get mad. Okay? You're in traffic. Don't get mad. Maintain your cool. It's going to be all right. That's part of trucking. Lots of delays, lots of stuff that you don't want to happen. That's part of trucking. It's nothing you can get around. You can't get around there. Just be cool about it. Take it easy. It's going to be all right. You're going to be all right. And if you're tuning into these videos, hopefully it's something on here you can use. If you like what you're getting, subscribe. Okay? Helps me get to more people that are just like you, who's trying to get information, real information, on this trucking business. Okay? I've been doing it a very, very long time. Okay? So if you like it, subscribe. I appreciate it very much. And y'all keep it moving out there. Be safe. There'll be more videos coming in the weeks to come. And if there's something on here that you want to ask about or hear about, send me a message through the YouTube. If you want to know something, just ask me, and I will respond. I'll put a video out on it ASAP. Okay? And it's all good. It's all good. Y'all be safe out there. This Papa Bear. I'm true to this, not new to this. Y'all have a great day and be safe out there. Peace.